Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about what is typedef and how we can use typedef in Dart. Now, first of all, let's try to understand what is typedef and why do we need it. Now, in easy word, typedef is nothing but simply a syntax for a particular function. Whatever function that we need to write, we already declare its parameters and its return type with the help of typedef. Right? It is nothing but simply a decorator for the syntax of our entire function. Now let's try to understand over what is the syntax. So now the syntax will be very easy. You have to write the following keyword of typedef, the function name. So let's say function underscore name and the required arguments. Right, let's say variable arguments. And if possible, you can also return here the particular return type of it. But normally we don't define that. We only define the arguments and the function type. So now let's try to include a new function name over how we can use it under as a function of typedef. So now what I'll do, I'll simply create a new typedef. So let's call it perform operation. So we will be requiring two different arguments right here, and that's it. This will be our entire decorator for our entire function of perform operation. Now bear with me, this thing might look somewhat jargon, but bear with me. So right now what I'll do, I'll simply create two different functions known as subtraction and addition and division and multiplication, right? Four different functions. So for that purpose, what I'll do, I'll simply say double sum of numbers, right? The following sum of numbers will be requiring two different arguments. So let's copy it everywhere, the same syntax, just like this. Right now what this thing will do, this thing will be having an integer known as sum, right? And this thing will be simply carrying out the addition between n1 and n2 and simply returning us the sum. Now we can simply make it 2 double just like this with the help of this extension of 2 double, right? So now what I'll do, I'll simply copy the following thing and paste it here, and only twice for right now. So let's say subtraction of 2 number, and here I will be simply having a minus sign, right? So here let's say sub, and the subtraction will be sub dot 2 double because we are writing a type of double. So now what we can do, we have defined here a typedef of perform operation, right? So now what I'll do, under my void main method, I'll simply say perform operation to be a perform operation, right? A local variable of it. Now what I can do, I can simply say perform operation is equal to sum of number, right? It won't require any argument, so it will be only calling it without calling it, that is sum of number, and simply one more time of sub of number, that is subtraction of number. Now what this thing means, this thing means that the syntax of sum of number and subtraction of number is equal to perform operation typedef, right? So now what I can do, I can simply say perform operation, alright, or top of it for now. So I'll simply say perform operation, and under this it will be requiring two different arguments, right? So let's say n1 to be, let's say 2, and let's say n2 to be, let's say 4, right? So now what our perform operation typedef will be doing, it will be taking the output, that is the operation of our sum of number, right? So now what I'll do, I'll simply say print this thing, right? So now let's try to run our command. Now we will be simply getting the output to be 6, right? That is 6.0 because we have written type of double. So what is happening here now, we have got a typedef of perform operation which simply requires n1 and n2, right? We are simply assigning that sum of number has the same decoration, that is the same syntax as per our perform operation, right? So I can simply copy this thing and paste it one more time, but now it will be doing the subtraction of number and we will be getting -2, right? So first of all it will be getting 6.0, and after that it will be getting -2.0 because the return type is nothing but the double one. So this is how typedef will be working on. Now you may think, why do we need it? Now whenever we will be writing some high level code, whenever we will be writing some code under production, we often define a typedef so that the entire format of all the methods are same and are very good, right? For example, now if I simply say here sum of number won't require 2 number but a single number, I will be getting an error here that my perform operation has 2 different arguments but sum of number has only 1 argument, right? So it will be maintaining the fashion of entire code, that is it will be maintaining the codability, right? So now this is known as the typedef for a function name.